are you people doing? Today in this video I'm going to discuss with you some of the essential ingredients of mind programming or neuro-linguistic programming, which is also part of my book The Power of NLP. It's available in the Kindle version on Amazon. If you like this video, do like it, share it and hit the subscribe button on the YouTube. I also have a channel called nehakarekar.com. Go visit it. I write a lot of blogs on different topics. Could be spirituality, I write about sales, I write about neuro-linguistic programming, so do check it out. Now, when we see neuro-linguistic programming or mind programming, some important elements which I'm going to discuss with you is, first of all, there is something known as outcome. We need to know what should be the outcome of our journey. Let me give you a very simple example. Suppose you board a train from Mumbai CST and you board a train which is going towards Pune, but your journey, you always wanted to not to go to Pune, but you wanted to go to Chennai. So would the outcome of going to Chennai be possible if you board a train going to Pune? It's not possible, right? So mind programming, one of the very essential ingredient is understanding what should be the outcome after the programming. So one has to decide one's goal, and after deciding one's goal, one can work on it. Like for instance, for a student, if a student wants to procure say 90%, so that is the outcome that the child wants to work with. So accordingly, mind programming can be done based on that goal or the outcome which is part of the journey. This one more important factor which works a lot in mind programming is our belief system. We have different incidences happen to us. Based on that, we have a set belief system in our subconscious mind. Let me give you an example. I was bitten by a dog when I was a child. I saw 3-4 ferocious dogs, and one of them I tried to run away, and one of the dogs bit me. Now whenever I see a dog, I will not look at any other aspect. I will only look as a dog which is very ferocious. It looks like a tiger to me. So now belief system is something which is ingrained inside. Neuro-linguistic programming works at the subconscious level. There are a lot of set programs which can work with you, and you can reach the subconscious level and erase those unwanted past memories. So it works at the subconscious level. So when I work with that dog theory, I have to sit and erase, so that whenever I see a dog, I do not see it as ferocious but a normal pet or normal animal. So these are some of the ingredients. Do check out my book, The Power of NLP by Neha Karekar, which is available on Amazon. If you like this video, do like it, share it and hit the subscribe button. Have a nice day.